Hello student, let's try to understand a problem student. The problem is what are anode rays student? How do they originate? List their important properties student. The stream of positively charged particle are called anode rays or positive rays or the canal rays. In 1886, Goldstein performed a discharge tube experiment using a perforated cathode. He observed that in addition to cathode rays, a new kind of rays were also found. These rays pass through the hole of the perforated cathode but travel in the direction of opposite to the cathode rays student. So what the Goldstein was doing student in 1886, perform a discharge tube experiment using the perforated cathode, and he observed that the addition of cathode rays, a new kind of rays were also found. These rays pass through the hole of the perforated cathode but travel in the direction opposite to the cathode rays. These rays were found to consist of positively charged particles and were called the anode rays, also positive rays or the canal rays. Why they are called canal rays? Because they are passing through the hole. Now, these rays originate as a result of the knockout of the electrons from the gaseous atoms by the bombardment of the high-speed electrons of the cathode rays of the atom. So from where they are actually generating here, the already there are the gases are there na? So when the cathode rays, this is the cathode rays are coming, cathode rays, right? So when this is knocking out the gaseous atom, so from opposite direction what is going to come student? Here the positive rays will come, positive rays. So this is what these rays originate as a result of knockout the electron from the gaseous atom by the bombardment high speed electron of the cathode rays of them. Thus, anode rays are not emitted from the anode but are produced in space between the anode and the cathode. What are the properties of anode rays? Anode rays travel in the straight line. These rays are deflected by the electric and magnetic field in a way that so that these rays are positively charged particles. For example, these rays are attracted towards the negative plate in the electric field, which means rays are positively charged particle. What they are saying, student, these rays are deflected by electric and magnetic field in a way that so that these rays are positively charged particle. For example, these rays are attracted towards the negative plate in the electric field, which means rays are positively charged particle. These rays consist of material particle and rotate the paddle wheel placed in their way. Anode rays produce heating effect when stuck against a metal foil. Anode rays produce heating effect when stuck against a metal foil. The ratio of charge to mass E by m for positive rays is considerably smaller than that of the electron and is not constant but depends on the nature of the gas taken in the discharge tube. In other words, the value of E by m for positive ion depend upon the discharge of the ions and its mass. Okay, so keep in mind student, here you see the ratio of the charge by mass. Okay, here they are saying the ratio of charge by mass of positive rays is considerably smaller than that of the electrons and not constant but depends on the nature of the gas taken in the discharge tube. In other words, the value of E by m positive ion depends upon the charge of the ion and its mass. So this is all about the answer student. Thank you very much for watching.